Hi, this is Ilocano Vlogger and I'm here at Shipment Wall Street, Taipei, Taiwan. So tara na at tikman natin itong peanut ice cream roll with cilantro.
Grabe natin yung peanut ice cream. Peanut.
If you are in Taiwan, you need to try this peanut ice cream roll with cilantro. They shave peanut brittle and then add scoop of ice cream. Then, lalagyan nila sa ibabaw ng cilantro. Then, they rolled it up like a small burrito.
Titikman natin yung peanut ice cream na nakabalot sa lumpia wrapper. So haggard na ang you must try. Sarap nung ano. Sarap. Ito may may ice cream peanut. Tapos binalot sa lumpia wrapper. Sarap. You must try. Sarap nung ano, peanut ice cream.